Good morning, everybody. We are here. It's gloomy and gray and rainy outside today. 54 degrees and rainy. Nobody likes that type of weather. D's, what's going on? D's, first in the chat. D's. We got Frank, D's, Dark Bro, Nick F, good morning to you. We got Dark Bro, Joyce, good morning to you. No Toes. Doesn't know how to read because he thinks he's first in the chat, guys. What's going on? Shake and bake, baby. We got No Toast, Frank, D's, Dark Bro, D's. We got Frank, Dark Bro, D's, Dark Bro, Pika Power, good morning to you. Dark Bro, Frank, Pika, D's, we've got D's, Pika, Bender, D's, Pika, Dark Bro, D's, Richard, Pika, Frank, Dark Bro, Joyce, Pika, Geo, and D's. Somebody's gonna make me sneeze in here. I don't know. I think it was Geo, man. Geo, you put a little itch in my nose right there. My gosh, dude. Now I'm gonna start sneezing on you. What do we got? I secretly threw in 50,000 into Pepe and got 100 million sitting in my Cayman Islands account. Dark Bro. Yeah, that would be amazing, wouldn't it, dude? Some idiot probably did try to throw 50,000. Dude, you couldn't throw 50,000 into Pepe when it had a $10,000 market cap. You would have single-handedly brought the coin all the way up to like $1 at that point. Let's see. Good morning, Pika. Good morning, Joyce. Here, Geo. Good deal, man. I'm more of a McLaren guy myself. Perfect D's. EM. Happy Friday to you. I'm sneezing, so you caught it. Oh, Joyce, you did it to me. I knew somebody did it to me. I thought it was Geo, but apparently it was Joyce. Joyce, you gotta make me sneeze like that. Darn it. Well, let's check the market out, guys. We got AMC sitting in the top left-hand side of the screen right now. It is up slightly on the day, $5.47. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 10.19 right here. Up, down, up. It is very, very stagnant. No volume whatsoever. Shiba Inu coin sitting 0.78% lower right now, 10.19. GameStop, 19.58. It is up 3% on the day. Not a little bad bounce back there, but still nonetheless, I believe it is on its way back down to fill. That's technically not a gap fill. So it could be on its way back down to fill this gap right here. Had a very nice earnings report and has since fallen through that level of support on its way back down, bouncing off this area of support right here. We could be filling the gap on GameStop there pretty soon. Bitcoin on the bottom left, $29,163, down 1.09% on the day today. Nonetheless, maintaining that 29,000 mark. NASDAQ doing okay today, 12,174 points, not dollars on the NASDAQ. GameStop sitting at 19.52, Bureau Therapeutics, $2.46, AMC, 5.48, Ethereum, 1,888.72, Shiba Inu coin sitting at 10.20, Dogecoin, 8 cents flat, Bitcoin sitting at 29,180, Mullen Auto, 7 cents. Wow, Mullen Auto throwing some green lines on there to get back up to 7 cents. Think about that. Sundial, $1.49. CEI sitting at $1.40. The SPY, $4.14. We've got BBIG up 6.5% to 17 cents. Oh my gosh, dude, what tragedy. Highcroft Mining sitting at 37.5 cents. Netflix, $329. QQQ, $320. And Ape sitting at $1.50 right now. We're going to watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left play out as it is throwing green lines on the screen. What do we got here? Sounded good to me. It sounded great to me, Dark Bro. If you're making 100 milli, I love it. Moves of the day. Bought 16 shares at SVOL, now over 100. Also bought XLM, BMY, ABR, SHA, AT&T. We've got USAC. Cover calls expiring. Our MPW at 850 and GLW at 37. Very nice. Long-term retirement portfolio currently over 12,000 with annual dividend of $983.49. Stacking, baby, stacking. Frank, dude, loving it right now. My goodness, Frank, looking very good. I'll be back in a few minutes. Perfect, Dark Bro. Click. Can you look up Pika? We can look up. Is Pika a coin? If Pika's a coin, I know what I'm buying this weekend. Let's check out Pika, ladies and gentlemen. Is Bitcoin is throwing a very nice candle on the screen right now. Let's bring some room there for Bitcoin to run. Yes. If I can look up Pika, anybody can look up Pika. What's good? Happy Mother-Loving Friday. Happy Mother-Loving Friday to you. Don't be so salty. And in case my mother is watching, I do love my mother, guys. So every day is a mother-loving day, especially this Mother-Loving Friday. I like it. I hope you like it as well, and I hope you all love your mother. Where are we going? Anyone who watched the NFL draft last night? Nope! Did you get a player, and did you get a player that you hoped for? The only reason I ask is to get your mind off crypto for a bit is all. Richard, yeah, I didn't watch the NFL draft. I wouldn't know one player that was drafted. Not a single one, dude. Not a single one. And even if everybody was like, oh, yeah, I'm so excited about that, I still don't even know why you were excited about it, dude. I know nothing about these teams. So I did not watch. Anybody else watch? I'm sure somebody in here watched. Let's go look at La Pika Pika. La Pika Pika. La Pika 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 Pika. La Pika 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 Pika. Where are we at here? We are on Dex Tools. We're going to look at CoinMarketCap. I imagine it is on CoinMarketCap here. Pika. No, not Pima. Pika. Which one we looking at here? This one? Pika? We're looking at this one right here. Pika with a big old P. $300,000 market cap. All right. How long has it been out? Actually, it's been around, guys. It's been around since 2021 here, and did have a very nice bull market in 2021. Going from, my goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dude, over almost 100xing. This coin 50x'd several times in 2021. That sounds like something I'm interested in. Now, this doesn't even bother me, okay? Let me talk about this for a second here. This coin did phenomenal in 2021, and this price action right now does not bother me because this is almost the same price action that you see on something like Shiba Inu coin. 2021 having some very nice rallies and then doing nothing but losing value since then. So since the Shiba's high would have been hit in this October-November period of 2021 here, and then losing value, right? Now, that's not bad, man. A $300,000 market cap, I believe. Where are we at here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're back down at 7 zeros and a 1. So you could see a 100x getting back to these levels right here. Market cap probably going to be 0. Yeah, market cap's flat there. You could 100x to get back to these levels and see a market cap of around $30 million if it reaches those levels. But look at this graph right here. You might think, it's a dead coin, dead coin, dead coin. And this guy, I mean, he thinks it's a dead coin, right? And I don't know if it's a bad coin or not. But if you look at something like Shiba, look at this all-time graph here. Hold on. Zoom in. There you go. Look at this graph. You would think Shiba Inu coin is the same way. Rolling up here, going up nice 10, 20 X's, and then doing nothing but losing value and sitting sideways. So Pika, I mean, obviously a lot smaller coin, but who knows, right? Who knows? It's not that, I guess, concerning to me that it's down in price right now because everything has been performing like that. So, yeah, Pika. I like Pika. I don't care who knows. Look up Pika for Pika. No, ignore Pika wanting to look up Pika. Oh, yes. What's good, Clay? Happy Mother Friday. I saw that already. NFL draft, yes. Highcroft needs to move up. Highcroft Mining, ladies and gentlemen. Highcroft Mining is that gold mine that Adam Aaron went out there and bought with all of your money in AMC. Highcroft Mine, 37 cents. The lows there were like 25 cents, right? 28 cents. Okay, Adam Aaron announces he's getting into Highcroft Mining with AMC's money. It jumps up to about $3 and has done nothing but go down since, losing 90% of its value. That means that AMC's $27 million is now worth what? I don't know. If it was worth that much, now it's worth like $2 million. Adam Aaron losing $20 million on that deal right there, but bailing his friends out. That's what it's all about when you're living on Wall Street, is to bail your friends out of a sticky situation. So yeah, Highcroft Mining is in a very tough position right now, continuing to hit lower highs and unfortunately lower lows. The good news is, Joyce, it is down around that all-time low that it had, so it's very likely to pick up some support down in this area. You got to go all the way back to March of 2022 when that came out there, and it is right around this major level of support. Boom. Bounced off of it this time. If it breaks through, I would be very nervous. But if it bounces off, you could be okay hitting basically a triple bottom down here over the last couple of years. Unfortunately, it's been nothing but an entire year of declines. So April of 2022 down to April of 2023, it's been nothing but a year of declines. So that is very difficult to watch on Highcroft Mining if you've got it. I don't have any of that in my portfolio, but nonetheless, I know a lot of people invested in AMC do. But where do you buy it? Pika, that is. Bender. Let's look at where you buy Pika, because I have no idea. I would imagine you buy it somewhere on like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, whatever it is. So it is an Ethereum token. If you're interested in looking at Pika right here, it seems to be on Uniswap. So if you would like to grab it, you got to go out to Uniswap. You're going to have some Ethereum in your wallet. Attach your wallet to Uniswap, and then swap some Ethereum for Uniswap here. You could also buy it on CoinTiger, but I don't know what CoinTiger is. I don't know if that's a centralized exchange or not. Yeah, I don't know what the liquidity score of 285 is. Okay, so it does have pretty low liquidity. But nonetheless, it's not going to be a very heavily traded coin, and I'm sure there are not many investors. PikaCrypto.com. Let's see what we got in Pika Crypto. Pika Crypto does not want to load. All right, forget Pika Crypto. Ooh, you know what? I forgot all about this coin. MeowCoin. Let's look at MeowCoin real quick. MeowCoin is that one that was profitable. Oh, MeowCoin not looking too bad, guys. Up 37% today. Yeah, MeowCoin rolling back up nicely, man. It did not even come back down to these levels right here. So MeowCoin rolling up to 1/10 of a cent from, my goodness, 3 zeros and a 1 to 2 zeros and a 1. 10xing in a very short period of time. MeowCoin, the only reason I knew about this was because it was the most profitable coin to mine. Still the second most profitable coin to mine, I guess. Yeah, still the second most profitable coin to mine. Not bad out there. And Ravencoin, still up there in value as well. So if you guys are looking at that, Ravencoin, MeowCoin, it's all looking good. But that does say that's kind of negative value because these graphics cards, these are the older graphics cards, but these graphics cards take a lot of energy. So you'd be running about $2 a day on your electric bill, and you'd be bringing in about $1 a day in MeowCoin. So check it out if you guys want to check it out. But nonetheless, that's what you got. Now, hold on. Where am I going? Back out to Streamlabs. We've got Crypto Distraction. This weekend, Formula One returns with the, oh my gosh, Azerbaijan Grand Prix from Baku. Set your DVRs, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to watch that race. That is crazy. All right, if I was to put money in and hit a lottery ticket coin and wanted to cash out, how does it work with taxes? So let me tell you this, man. I cannot, unfortunately, advise you on taxes. That's just because I'm not a CPA or anything. But what I know about taxes is that they want their cut. So let's just say you were to do it. If you were to go out there and you were to hit a lottery ticket play, you made $100,000, you made $10,000, you made $1 million, whatever it is. If you were simply transferring from, and I'm going to give you not my interpretation. I'm going to just tell you what they want you to do, okay? If you go out there, you swap some Ethereum for some Pika coin. Let's say you buy Pika coin and it 1000x's your $1,000 and you make $1 million. When you swap, even if you just swap that back for Ethereum, okay? You don't even cash it out to US dollars. Even if you swap it out for Ethereum, they want you to pay taxes on that gain. Every transaction is considered a capital, I guess, a capital transaction, either capital gain or capital loss. So it does not have to be converted back into fiat. If you make $1 million and you make $1 million in Ethereum, they're going to want you to pay taxes on that $1 million that you made. Now, depending on how long you hold it, if you hold it over a year and finally make that lottery ticket play, it should be taxed as long-term capital gains. If you hold it for less than a year, it should be taxed as ordinary income or whatever your tax bracket is. So they want you to pay taxes on it either way. Now, here's the thing. Clearly, if you go out there and you swap, Ethereum for Pika, Pika for Ethereum, and you're sitting on $1 million in Ethereum, and they charge you tax, your taxes are for $1 million gain. Dude, they're going to charge you roughly $400,000. You're going to have to pay $400,000, roughly a 40% tax rate, right, on that $1 million that you made. You don't have $400,000 cash just sitting there. You're going to have to convert that Ethereum into US dollars if you want to expect to pay your tax bill, man. So I don't want to get started on taxes, but they are going to tax you on that gain. And depending on whether it's long-term capital gains or short-term capital gains, depends on your rate. But nonetheless, I cannot advise you on taxes. Roulette Wheel says, looks like 90% of the coins that are out there. Yes, it does. Roulette Wheel. Pika looks like 90% of the other coins that are out there down over the last 2 years. What up, Clay? Happy Friday, brother. Lift 88 euro. What's going on? Yes, everything is down so bad. Jihan, yes, it is. Let's go Philadelphia Eagles, baby. All right, man. Let's do it. 10 likes, 23 watching. Something wrong with the math. Guys, click the like button. What are you doing? Yes, D's, I noticed that too. Uniswap is, how fitting. It is. Everybody loves a little unicorn out there. Look into Terra, Clay. Yeah, we can look at Terra real quick. No bro coin, a must buy a Pika coin. Yes, if there's no bro coin, you guys should buy a Pika coin. Pika should start her own coin, and we could all buy that. Have you ever felt a raindrop inside your car while driving in the rain, but the windows are closed? Sometimes feels like there's a glitch in the matrix. No, I don't know if I've ever felt that, man. I don't know if I've ever felt that. I did have a convertible and drove around with the top down before, and the windows could have been up, and a raindrop would have hit me. But that's it. That's you can explain that one. I see a lot of news with Crowcoin and Samsung. Is there truth to this, Richard? Listen, there could be, man, but I don't follow the Crow news like a lot of other people do, so I really don't know if there's truth to it or not. What would the news be? I mean, we can kind of speculate it and look it up to see if we can find anything. But what would the news be between Crow and Samsung there? And what was I going to look up there? Somebody wanted me to look a coin up, and I forget what coin they wanted to look up. My gosh, I don't even know. Oh, Terra. Yeah, Terra. That's what you guys wanted. Terra, is this the one? Is this what you're looking up here? Terra sitting on $0 volume. Total liquidity is only $14, man. Only 25 holders. Dude, I mean, I guess if you want to throw 50 cents in this or something, you can, but like, you can't even buy it because there's so little liquidity. A $10 investment would buy the entire liquidity pool. So I don't know if this is the right coin or not, man. I wouldn't touch this one because it's way too low. But, yeah, I wouldn't be touching that one. Let's see. LUNC go to a penny by the end of May. Shan, no. Terra Luna Classic is not going to go to a penny by the end of May. It doesn't even matter. Like, Do Kwon could be found innocent in everything. The SEC could come out and say that Terra Luna Classic is the greatest crypto, and they're not going to be touching Terra Luna Classic. And Terra Luna Classic could regain its listing on major exchanges, but it's still not going to go to a penny by the end of May. A penny would put it back at like a 40 to 50. Well, a penny would put Terra Luna Classic, I believe, at about 60 to 70 billion dollar valuation, and it's not going to happen in the next month. So, unfortunately, no. It is something that could happen longer term, but not by the end of May, man. Future of USTC, please. Heavily dependent on repegs and so on. USTC is one that can be controlled by the Terra Luna Classic, I guess, ecosystem, the Terra Luna Classic community. And right now, there is a signaling proposal that is passing to say we should repeg USTC. Now, I'm just going to be reasonable here and say that the centralized exchanges are not going to be on board with repegging USTC. It's unfortunate, right? But they're not going to be on board with this dynamic fee, and they're not going to be on board with walking it back up to $1. So I don't think that that's the future of USTC, is a 50x gain, getting it back up to $1. That's unfortunate, but I don't view that happening. I just don't. I mean, you guys could view it as happening. Yes, it's going to create a lot of value and all of the good things. But centralized exchanges aren't going to add, if one centralized exchange isn't on board with adding a dynamic fee, everybody else is going to be able to arbitrage that price, dude, and it's just going to be insane. Like, it's not going to happen unless everyone jumps on board. And I don't see everybody jumping on board. Now, there are other futures for USTC that I do think could happen. If USTC at a stable price is something that we want, that stable price might be a penny, okay? And I do think that that's a possibility. The stable price might be at 5 cents or 10 cents. I do think that that's a possibility. I think that the stable price being at $1 is also a possibility, but only through something like a fork or a reverse split. Now, unfortunately, that creates no value for current USTC holders. But, okay, a stable coin, it doesn't necessarily lose value for them either. So if you're going out there and you're buying USTC and they 1 for 50 reverse split it to get it back up to $1 and then make it stay at $1, whatever you've got in USTC now is just what you've got in USTC. So it's not bad for USTC, but it's just kind of neutral for USTC. But it should be beneficial for Terra Luna Classic. If Terra Luna Classic does have a stable coin in its ecosystem, you would think that is a good thing, and it's going to bring value to Terra Luna Classic, but it won't bring value to USTC. Now, this is an interesting Pancake Swap, man. Pancake Swap coming back down to the all-time lows at 20 cents would be extremely juicy. But right now, testing $2.73. This is a major level of support on Pancake Swap. Here's my thoughts on coins like Pancake Swap and Uniswap. Where's Uniswap at? I expect it to be similar price action to Pancake. Yes. Coming down here and retesting these major support levels around $6 per coin. Now, I believe that these could do very well during the next bull market, and not necessarily so well right now because we're not seeing altcoin season. We're not seeing people go out and massive volume flowing through Uniswap, massive volume flowing through Pancake Swap. But if we do reach a bull market frenzy like we had before, and look at this run in 2021 going from 20 cents all the way up to $40 during 2021 here, you could see some massive gains take place in Pancake Swap, Uniswap, these little swap coins again, because people are going out and using those decentralized exchanges to pick up altcoins. Volume is low. Exchange coins are going to be down. Bro, what happened to AMC? The almighty beast mode, man. Where do you need me to pick up on AMC? AMC was a beautiful movement, okay? If you want me to summarize AMC very quickly. AMC was a beautiful movement, okay? And guys like Trey, Matt Kors, myself covering it every day, mass investors short the VIX. It was getting a lot of attention, and it was very simple. Buy, hold, squeeze the hedge funds. Adam Aaron came in during that interview with Trey's Trades, and Adam Aaron, in my opinion, sabotaged the entire movement. He was for some reason viewed as a silverback gorilla to lead AMC to the squeeze. When in all actuality, Adam Aaron only ever cared to make money for Adam Aaron, AMC, and his hedge fund buddies. So I believe that Adam Aaron plagued the market, plagued the movement, and single-handedly destroyed the AMC Stock Short Squeeze by focusing on AMC's fundamentals and raising money for AMC out of the retail investors' pockets. That is my, I guess, very short summary on what happened to AMC. And I didn't leave AMC. We got AMC on the screen every day. I just don't think it stands a chance of squeezing if Adam Aaron dilutes it the way that he's been diluting it. You're talking about that here. I'm sure there are plenty of political channels that would cover that. There probably are. Didn't even see what would be covered here or what would not be covered here. But it is true, guys. Look, we know that both sides of the spectrum have good and have bad. We get that. Some can be better than others. And I do believe a lot of the market performing as poor as it is has a lot to do with politics, because politics kind of they really control the world. So, but I don't know, dude. Politics are just they're just like a dumb topic, you know? It's like those, you've been in ethics class in college before, right? And your ethics teacher always wants to come up with some stupid topic that is a lose-lose situation where nobody is going to change your mind and make you agree with their side. So politics, dude, they're just sticky, man. I guess we just let some people be right and let some people be wrong and move on with it. Proof fact that when you hit the like button, crypto will run. It is true. It is true. So if you guys have not clicked the like button, listen to D's and click the like button, because it is a proven fact. If you click the like button, cryptocurrency some crypto somewhere begins to run if you click the like button. And we can find it. All you guys got to do is click the like button. I'm here to selling for $500, and now it's $28.50. Geoped. Not sure how illegal it is, but I was trading Pi, that is. Oh, trading Pi, that is. Dude, Pi was selling for $500 a coin? Is that what we're saying? Or are you talking about like miners? I'm not sure what we're talking about. What's up, guys? What's going on? Richie, 10th person to like. Thank you very much, Brian. Really appreciate that. Richie just chilling and accumulating paper, pal. That's what's up. Hit the like button. Listen to Richie, guys. Do it. Papa is on a roll. Let's look at Papa for a second here. See what's happening with Papa right now. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? We are going back out to Papa. Okay, there you go. Click it, Clay, bro. Click it. All right, so where's Papa? Where's Papa? Let's see. Papa, little sad-looking mustache, man. Dang, dude. Papa looking good right now. 153% gain at the moment. A $1.5 million market cap. And this might be an all-time... Nope, not an all-time high. This is sitting at 1,500 points per coin. Looking very good right now. Dude, just over the last 2 days, Papa going from 400 points to 1,500 points. 4xing your money in a coin like Papa over the last 2 days. This coin is absolutely wild, guys. It's wild. I don't know, man. Did anybody buy it? Did anybody buy Papa? I might get in Papa if it has another little dip like that, just to see what happens with it, dude. I currently do not have any Papa. 153% gain on the day is absolutely beautiful. Please keep in mind it is very risky, it is very volatile, and it is at a little level of resistance right here, so may experience a pullback if it doesn't break through. Nonetheless, man, 1,500 points on that is looking good. What are we expecting expiring Bitcoin to do? Go up or down, most likely? Harris, very good question. Let me just say it's impossible to determine, what it's going to do or what we're expecting it to do. But if we're going to look at a little bit of a technical analysis, okay, right now, Bitcoin has been trading in a tight channel between 30,000 and 27,000. It is on its way back down right now to this level of 29,000. What am I expecting it to do? This is so tough because we've had a nice 3 days here with a little bit of a pullback. I'm expecting it to fall back down into this channel, okay? Short term, today's trade, I'm expecting Bitcoin to fall down back into this area between 29.1 and 27.2. Why? That's the range that it wants to be trading in right now. It bounced off resistance at 30 2 days ago, and it's just pulling back a little bit. Now, clearly, any SEC case, any crypto regulation, any announcement by the White House, any, fundamental move could drive the price up or down. But right now, technically speaking, I'm expecting it to come back down into this range of 27 and 29.2. That's what I would be expecting. Short term, possibly today. And I'm not talking all the way down to 27 today. I'm talking about getting comfortable back down here in this range. So even 29,000 flat could be what my expectations are right now. Dang, Papa's got a brand new bag. It does. Emma D, Papa 4Xing over the last 2 days right there. Papa doing very well. Kobu, man, very, very nice. I'm glad you're making some money on Papa, dude. Someday I may return to AMC strictly for selling cash secured puts, but I refuse to be Adam Aaron's ATM. Yeah, listen, it is true that the AMC does have a ton of options activity, and it's actually not bad for it. When you've got that many people buying and selling options on it, you can get some decent premiums. So selling some cash secured puts, selling some covered calls, or potentially buying if you guys are into buying options as well. Nonetheless, selling them, you could generate some good money doing so. But there's a difference, right? I really enjoyed the AMC movement when that's what it was. When it was a bunch of retail investors, wide-eyed and glory-bound retail investors, looking to squeeze the hedge funds out of their money and simply make money in the AMC play. But I can't even say that wasn't pounded down their throats. Just buy, hold, and wait. But somehow, man, somebody with a louder voice, Adam Aaron, maybe Trey, and whatever these guys were doing, they shifted the focus a little bit to cleaning up the stock market, exposing all of the naked shorts, exposing the fraud, and in building up AMC. And that changed, man. It changed from squeezing hedge funds out of their shares into, making sure that AMC was able to make money and AMC was able to continue on. Smash the like button. No spam. Keep the comments respectful. Heck yeah. Frank. Listen to Frank, guys. Hold on. I got to fix this ring light. This thing's like popping out. And I don't know why. Did I fix it? Alright. I fixed the ring light. Guys, I don't know what was going on with it. But the little white thing around the ring light was falling off there. And we got it fixed. Traded in all my Shiba and Doge for Pepe and all my tonic for Papa. Very nice. Kombu. I was actually thinking about that this morning, man. I really was. So, not thinking about trading all my Shiba for Pepe or Papa, right? But the idea. Investors in Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin, the vast majority of them, got in 2021 when Shiba was running. It was the price action that attracted them to Shiba Inu coin. Now, of course, the developers are doing a lot. That's great, all of that stuff. But it was the price action that drew them to it. And Shiba Inu coin has been down in price. It's been very stagnant. Now, it's a dedicated group of investors because clearly they're willing to hold. But nonetheless, it is down in price. And Pepe, Papa, these coins are rising in price. And I believe that's going to attract Shiba holders. And I believe it's going to attract new investors as well. So I do think that there's a chance we might see some money flow out of Dogecoin and out of Shiba Inu coin if Pepe and Papa continue to, I guess, control the scene. Emma D! How did you forget how to eat a hot dog, Emma D? Come on, you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip as long as you want to dip it. And when you're done dipping the hot dog in your favorite dip, you shove it. One bite. Emma D. D's, thank you very much for the super chat. And Emma, now hopefully you know. Look up Pleb token. Let's look at it. Moji, good morning to you, Moji. What do you think of Kronos and Samsung Amazon partnership? Harris, I don't know anything about it. We can take a look at it in a second here. Well, you all take care. I'm out of here. Richard, enjoy your day, man. Whoa, we got a little spammer in the chat. Francisco loves LUNC. Very nice, Francisco. Let's see. What were we just looking at? Hold on. What did we just... Oh, Pleb. There it is. I'm like, that spam threw the chat off, and I didn't know where it all went. All right. What do we got here? Pleb. Oh, God, dude. Yeah, man. Listen, I might be coming up with a new strategy, man. New Kia car shopping today. Interest rates are nuts. What are the interest rates right now, Moji? You got to drop cash on a car, otherwise you're going to be paying like $5,000 a year in interest. Let's see. Pleb token, ladies and gentlemen, sitting at a $3.4 million market cap. It is up 108% on the day. Double your money in a single day with $1.7 million in volume and counting. It is rolling. It has been out for a week and it has been very volatile. Man, I don't even know how many zeros this is here. Gosh, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros and a 2. Up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over like 50xing. Maybe that's 40x. 20 to 40xing. Just since it was out on CoinMarketCap, April 23rd. 20xing your money. So let's talk about what we're seeing here. Okay. Pleb, Papa, you got a bunch of stupid looking images, and these coins are running right now. I think that these guys might be onto something, okay? The Enus, the dogs, those dog meme coins, like Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, and all of the Enus that followed in 2021. We may be seeing, and I don't even know else how to put this, we may be seeing a stupid cartoon image sort of a deal in the cryptocurrency space right now. Pepe, a very weird looking meme cartoon. This little pleb looking thing, a very weird looking cartoon. This may cause people to, if Pleb runs, if Pepe continues to run, if Papa continues to run, it may cause people to think, wow, dude, if I just buy the next dumb looking cartoon, it's going to run as well. So the same way that they tried to buy all of the Enus is what we might be seeing here in this new meme coin rally. Jan Snoo! What's going on, Jan Snoo? How you doing, man? I haven't seen you in a very long time. What do we got? J Bones out there. Most of it Bones. I love it. K5 is pretty. Dude, all those new Kias look really nice, dude. I drove past the new Kia last night. It was white. It looked very nice, dude. Wife wants 2023 Kia Soul Sport. All the bells and whistles. There you go, Moji. Your wife's got good taste, man. Kia is the way to go. Those are nice. They improve the horsepower and specs. Very good. You guys know too much about Kias. Samsung's revenue last quarter was down 90%. Holy crap, man. Samsung's got an ADR on the United States market, right? But isn't it very low traded? Doesn't it have extremely low volume? I don't know what Samsung is trading at right now, but that would be that would cause a drastic decline in Samsung's price. Klebro, you're the man, Jan Snoop. What's going on, dude? Thinking of maybe some Jasmy. Anyone else? Yeah, you know what? I believe it's Sarah Destep 50 Shades of Green. She likes Jasmy. She's got some Jasmy. Here's the thing about Jasmy. Let's look at that for a second. It's low in price, but it has been diluted. So look at the overall market cap when you're looking at Jasmy, okay? The overall market cap is still $320 million. The price is down drastically from these $4 price points, and then from May of 2021, these $2 price points. You might be thinking, oh, snap. If I get into Jasmy and it's sitting at half a cent and I wrote it back up to $1, I would be 200xing my money. Although that is true, let's think about this for a second. If you're trying to ride Jasmy, a 200x gain, 10x gain is going to take you to 3.2 billion. That's going to take you to 32 billion. It's going to take you to the price maximum that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin had, around a $60 billion market cap. Now, although it is possible, please do not think that Jasmy had a $60 billion market cap back here. When in fact, I don't know what it was, but the maximum market cap on Jasmy since then was $1 billion. Actually, where does this take us to? 1 billion, November of 2021. November of 2021, right here. 20 cents, 20xing. 20xing. No, 40xing from where we're at, because we're currently at a 60 cent. So 40xing would be a $1 billion market cap. We would only need to 4x to get there right now. So you got to think of these prices essentially 10 times lower. If you wanted to reach the $1 mark, it's basically the equivalent of 10 cents of what that would have been way back when. So Jasmy still does have a lot of potential. It's a very high, well-known coin, but you got to understand the difference in market cap there. Old Rounder, what's going on, Old Rounder? 6 months of bro, I love it. What's up, Clay? When we gonna rock it? Oh God, soon, man, soon. Nah, listen, I don't know, Old Rounder. I don't know when the rocket is gonna take off. I really don't. I don't know if it's going to be in 2023. I don't know if it's going to be in 2025. I don't know if it's going to be in 2030. But what I do know is that when cryptocurrency rockets, man, it does so over like a 1 month period. So if you're not here and you're not invested, there's a very, very good chance that you're going to miss out. And that's the unfortunate part. I just know that when it happens fast. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, hey y'all, getting a physical for work so late to the stream. To whomever was first. D's, I believe, was first. Dilly dilly to D's brilly. Thank you very much, Pat. Oh, man. Was it D's that was first? Now I forget who was first. Patrick, thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Absolutely love it, man. The first authorized hydration of the day. Really appreciate you, dude. I got Velo and Kronos. Let's look at Velo. I don't know what Velo is. Kias aren't very reliable. Honda, Toyota, Nissan. Hey, you know what? You might think the Kias aren't really reliable, but I've never really had any problems with my Kia. I did one time, and I'm not trying to sell you a Kia here, right? I don't have an affiliate link for Kia. But the air conditioner compressor went out when I had like 60,000 miles on it, and they did replace it for free. It was still under warranty, so I didn't have a problem with it really anything other than that. There was one other sensor that had gone out, but dude, I got a new sensor, and everything was good. So, yeah, I just turned over 100,000 miles, I think a couple months ago, on the Kia, and really those are the only two things. The AC compressor went out, and got a new one, and then one of the sensors went out, and Just got a new one of those. Everything's good. Luxury Wheels, the future of auto transportation. Engines aren't going anywhere. Wingro. I don't think that they're going to be able to get rid of gas. Okay? I truly don't. Why? Dude, we can't even maintain the current amount of electricity that the grid has right now. So, good luck. I really don't think we're going to go all electric. Same thing happened in 2021. New e-news came out almost every day. If you get in, you have to get out before the big dump. Roulette wheel, 100. Just like that weird coin that we were looking at on Dex Tools yesterday. Was it yesterday? Dude, it like 40x'd and then dropped down 90% in value all in the same day. So, like, don't get married to these coins or fall in love with these coins. Make some money. Leave your initial $10 in if you want to leave your initial $10 in or whatever, because then it only drops down. You lose $9. But yeah, dude, you are right on that one. The new e-news will come out every day. These weird little cartoon characters are going to come out every day. You just got to be willing to take some money and make some profit. Richie's Plain Talk. Thank you very much, Richie, for the 5 green names. Loving it right now. We've got Declan with a green name, Lemon with a green name, Shredder with a green name, Demon96 with a green name, and Mark Bowens with a green name. Thank you very much, Richie, for the 5 new green names. Guys, please support Richie the way that Richie supports this channel. Absolutely loving it, man. Absolutely loving it. Richie, dude, thank you very much once again for 5 more green names. You guys are killing it, dude. Joke, you know why there are so many Chevys on the road? They're not even worth towing. But, nice, Frank. Love my 13-year-old Honda inside. Tires and oil changes and not much else. Yeah, no, listen, I'll agree all day. Yeah, Toyotas, they got a good reputation. Honda's got a good reputation. I'll imagine whatever the other one he said is reliable, has a good reputation. Nissan's good reputation as well. But I like my Kia, dude. I don't know. You guys mess around with me on here because I talk about my Kia and the fact that I like the Kia, but... it's been good to me. Now, I completely understand that some people might get a lemon, or there might be bad models, or whatever. That's just life, dude. You know, there's mistakes that people make all the time with the way they manufacture things and all of that, but I've never really had a problem with my Kia. Subscribe to Richie's Plain Talk channel. Listen to D's, man. Richie does do a very good job of keeping the community updated, keeping the communities motivated, and supporting different communities as well. So please show a lot of support to Richie. The dude is killing it, man. Now, the only reason my other Honda died is my neighbor ran over it with his Humvee. Yes, Joyce. Nobody ever claimed that Hondas were the biggest and baddest vehicles on the road. So I could see your neighbor running over it with his Humvee there. The rest to drive Fords and Rincons. Rincons? All right, well, we like some Rincons as well. FD on road daily. Found dead. Gotcha. That's you guys on your... Found on the road. Yeah. This is you guys with your Fords, right? A Kia or Kia? Kia. You know what? I've only bought one thing from IKEA in my entire life. And it was countertops for the very first house that I owned. I bought the countertops on IKEA. It's the only time I've ever bought anything from IKEA. I drive a 1996 Dodge Stratus. Nice, man. Wingro. I've never had a Dodge Stratus. But I've had some 1996 up to, I think, 1999 or maybe 2000 Dodge Neons before. One of the first cars that I drove to high school was a Dodge Neon. So, yes. Dodge Neons, man. Dodge Neons are the old school. Those are the throwbacks, man. Never had the Stratus, but the Dodge Neon, yes, did have that. Kia's reliable for a year, and after that, it's crap, shoot, I got a good one. Nice, man. Because it's been reliable since at least 2016. And I would imagine it was reliable before that, but it was 2014 that I bought in 2016. Bones drives a Benz. There you go, Bones. Saw that 2015 Genesis 5.0 made by Hyundai. Patrick, nice, dude. 300 or what? D's. Fix or 300 or what? I know I might have missed something there, D's. Sorry if I missed it. Dude, J-Bones is rolling in that Benz, baby. Oh, yes. Had a Dodge Neon, about for 1.2 thousand. Lasted 30 days. Rule that wheel. You can't expect much more than that. Sounds like you bought it off me, man, because dude, when I was in high school, I used to buy Dodge Neons, right? I didn't even have a job. When I worked a little bit with my dad in high school, but nah, dude, I would just buy and sell some cars throughout high school. Everybody else worked for like, $6 an hour or whatever, 3 hours a week. I bought a couple Neons and sold a couple Neons while I was in high school, and gotta love it, dude. Gotta love it. The Neons were good. You'd pick them up at the impound auction for $600. You'd go throw them in the front yard, sell those bad boys for $1,500. You were good to go, man. You were good to go. 1.3 miles per gallon. Everybody loves a nice gas guzzler like a Dodge Stratus, man. A guy up here has a Dodge Stealth. I want it. Very nice, Frank. You guys loving it, man. Thanks, man. Absolutely. J-Bones, maybe. I want my money back. It was probably your car that I bought from the Hey, very well could have been. Roulette wheel. Very well could have been, man. What year was it? Because I had all the Neons, dude. I had all the Neons. Unfortunately, all sales are as is, Roulette wheel. You're not going to get anything back. Sorry about that, but just got to deal with it now. Guys, little market recap towards the end of the morning stream here. We got AMC sitting steady all day today, sitting at $5.53 right now. Not a ton of volume, but up about 3%. Shiba Inu coin, same deal. No volume whatsoever on Shiba Inu coin, sitting at 0.49% lower, 10.22 at the moment. It was at 10.20 when we started the stream. GameStop sitting at 19.49, up about 3% on the day. No real action. I mean, look how stagnant this has been over the last hour. Bitcoin sitting here at $29,222, basically bouncing back and forth between I don't know, $100 range or so here. We've got the overall market sitting up 0.37% right now, looking okay, but nothing special to write home about. Bureau Therapeutics, $2.46, looking like Braille, no volume at all. Ethereum, $18.90. Shiba, $10.23. Shiba's running, man, $10.23. Dogecoin, 8 cents. Bitcoin, $29,237. Mullen Auto, up 3.5% to 7 cents per share. Mullen Auto, I'm glad I got out of that at 10 cents because it's down freaking 30%. Sundial sitting at $1.49. CEI, $1.39. The SPY, $4.15. BBIG, 17.5 cents. Highcroft Mining, 37 cents. Netflix, $3.28. QQQ, $3.21. And Ape sitting at $1.49 right now. Not a lot of action going on in the market today. We've had some mixed earnings reports from companies like Amazon and Google and such. So I think that the market's just trying to find itself right now as these earnings come through. It was red. You know what? I don't think I ever had a red neon. I've had purple neons. I've had blue neons, green neons. But I never had a red neon. No, I never had a red neon. At least I don't think I had a red neon. I think I would remember, but I don't think I ever had a red neon. No. But my Ford F-250 6.0 diesel for $18,000 and half put over at $40,000. My gosh, dude. $40,000 in repairs. Combo. That is nuts, man. Once an 18-wheeler hits a hill, he gets 1 mile per gallon. Is that true, dude? Because that's really low. Want AMC to shoot up like Top Financial 3000. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Christian, man. Let's look at Top real quick because I think we looked at Top back when HKD or HDK, whatever that stock was, that was rolling. This was another one of those coins, not coins, another one of those stocks that was rolling there. So please be aware that this is insane, okay? Going up to $256 on the day today and down to $47 on the day today. Absolute wild volatility, but this is what the price looked like prior to today. Please keep that in mind. Nothing but, wild gain, huge loss. Wild gain, huge loss. Wild gain. You guys know what's coming next, right? All right. I didn't think that they were going to have any options on top here, but nonetheless, dude, if they had some options on top, it would be required to go out and buy a put option because, my gosh, dude, a wild gain like this is almost going to be guaranteed leading to a wild loss. Okay? My goodness. Yeah. I do wish that AMC would run up like that too, but a couple weeks ago, let's just say, his stock was at $3. Today it touches 256. 100xing your money. Yeah, top's running wild. There's no doubt about that. Let's see. How's LUNC doing? Patrick, Terra Luna Classic isn't doing anything spectacular. Terra Luna Classic is sitting right around 11,000 points per coin. No real price action. Sitting up 2% on the day. Basically following the rest of the crypto market. But it continues to, I guess, grow as a community and as an ecosystem. The price action is what inspires people to get in. And then they end up holding because they're down in price. But nonetheless, man, we continue to get new proposals. Oh, you guys can't see it. We continue to get new proposals. And Terra Luna Classic may, pass this signaling proposal to get USTC pegged back to $1. And if that's the case, we could see some growth. But I highly doubt that decentralized exchanges are going to be on board with that. My dad bought 4,000 shares of Mullen at $285. Oh, wow, man. Wayne Grove, dude. Yeah, that is very tough, dude. That is very tough. The good news is he could easily double down with another 4,000 shares down here at 7 cents, where it's at right now. The bad news is he's basically gonna have to buy a lot more shares than that to bring his average down. But the good news is, if he's not been continuously averaging down, he could average down pretty heavily there. If you stripped weight off of it, would it be a neon light? But yes, it very well could be, Frank. But I don't know what kind of weight you're stripping off a neon. I'm pretty sure that I could pick the front end of a neon up and move it around if I wanted to. That's how small those cars were and how they really felt like a tin can. Yes, indeed, my brother-in-law's a trucker. Mr. Brian, that is nuts, dude. 1 mile per gallon is not very efficient. 28 likes, 30 watching. I'm digging it like TLC. Guys, thank you very much for clicking the like button. Really appreciate it. I know that views have been extremely low. You guys, I do want to say thank you very much. Everybody that's out there watching during this massive bear market, that you guys continue to have fun and all of that. Really, thank you. Because, views are low, live stream views are low, crypto prices are low. Nobody wants to be involved in this stuff when everybody's losing. But I can guarantee you, the only ones that are going to benefit during the next bull market are the ones that are willing to pull the trigger immediately when things start to take off. Or you, the ones that stay here, hold out through the bear market, and then are guaranteeing themselves to be here during the bull market. So I do want to say thank you to all you guys that hang out with us every day, keeping the chat awesome, having a great time, because it is very easy to just give up and say, I'll come back when things get better. 20 likes. Did I accidentally hit the like button? DD214. You better have clicked that darn like button. My goodness, dude. You better have. D's, man. You rule, D's. You rule. And guys, listen. We're gonna make it through. We're gonna make it through. And I know that something's gonna hit, and a bull market will return one day. But right now, it is 1 o'clock. We're gonna get off right now, and we are gonna go have some lunch, get your work done, whatever you gotta do during this break. We're gonna be back in the afternoon. Hope that everybody enjoys their Friday afternoon, and then we'll get back to that afternoon stream. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do a couple quick shout-outs, and then we will be back later. Thank you guys once again for keeping the chat absolutely awesome, man. Roulette Wheel, Kombu, see you later. Mr. Brian, Christian Bustillo, see you later. Patrick, Waingro, enjoy it. Frank, man, Mr. Brian, D's, Patrick, DD214, D's, Frank, D's, Waingro, Frank, the franchise. I know we got J-Bones out there. Don't know if Moji's still out there. SD, if you're out there. DD214, man, Kombu. I know we're missing a lot, but Dark Bro, Pika, Pudgy, if you guys are out there right now, appreciate you later. Old Rounder, thank you very much for being in here today. J-Bones. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.